This is a beautiful 6x9 checkered rug that I have here with our billiard table. So it's super nice rug. I really, really like it. It's really long. So they have different styles and sizes. So I'll walk through so you can see how large it is. So really nice size, thin, it's really, really nice. So it's also washable, of course. It is a little bit big, so just keep that in mind. So, it's going to be a little tricky to wash, but you can definitely wash it. And yeah, definitely check it out. I like it here where I have it, but you can put it anywhere you want, a living room, in a dining room, anywhere you would prefer. So check it out, or even a bedroom. Check it out.